Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door shelf bar in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door shelf bar. There are two identical door bars mounted on the freezer door. It keeps stuff on the shelf, preventing it from falling off. The main reason to replace the bar is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. To remove this freezer door shelf bar, you need to grab it on the sides and push it up. This is the old freezer door shelf bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so we have here a new bar, and we need to insert this locking mechanism into the grooves on the side. We have identical part on this one. So we're going to bring it in. And again, grab it on the sides and press it down firmly. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.